Hello, friends. Welcome to our lesson today. We are going to be reviewing our words from last week and from this week. So we had 5 words last week and 5 words this week. Grab your vocabulary notebook so that you are ready to practice reviewing with me. We're going to start off by answering some multiple choice questions. So let's review. Which word is the best synonym for generate? And remember, synonyms mean the same. Generate was our word this week. Does it mean slow, create, endless, or destroy? The best synonym for generate is create. Remember, to generate is to create something, like generate an idea. What is the definition of gnaw? This was a word from last week. So gnaw, is it an injury, to turn, to refuse, or to chew? Gnaw means to chew. Remember, we thought of a dog gnawing on a bone. They chew on the bone. Which word is an antonym for continuous? Antonym is the opposite. So antonym for continuous. Is it create, constant, accept, or ending? The antonym for continuous. Antonym for continuous is ending. Remember, continuous means to go on and on forever. So the opposite would be to have an end. What is the definition of pivot? Pivot was a word last week we had. Does pivot mean to turn, to bite, to reject, or to move slow? The definition for pivot is to turn. Remember, we think of a dancer pivoting on their toes. They turn. Which word is a synonym for decline? So which one is the same meaning as decline, which was our word last week? We have allow, trick, refuse, and make. The synonym for decline is refuse. Remember, if you decline an offer, you say no thank you, or refuse, or choose not to do it. All right, we're going to fill in the blanks. So we have the words prank, wound, sluggish, exterior, and interior. So prank was from last week, and the other 4 words are words from this week. Which word goes in the blank? The cream helped to keep her blank clean and prevent an infection. The cream helped to keep her blank clean and prevent an infection. The word that would go in the blank here is wound. A wound. You would put cream on a wound to keep it from getting infected and dirty. Same words. The sentence is, my brother used the vacuum to clean the blank of the car. So think about which part of the car would you use the vacuum on? My brother used the vacuum to clean the blank of the car, and that would be the interior of the car. You use a vacuum on the inside of a car. Same words. Our sentence, I want to plan a good blank that will be sure to trick my brother. The B is missing there, sorry. I want to plan a good blank that will be sure to trick my brother. Which word would talk about tricking someone? That word would be prank. Remember, prank is to play a joke or a trick on someone. I was feeling blank after being sick all night. I'm sorry, she was feeling blank after being sick all night. Which word would describe how you would feel? The word that would go in the blank would be sluggish. Remember, sluggish means to move slow. So if you are awake all night, not feeling well, in the morning, you would definitely be moving slow. Dad put up a fence around the blank of our yard. Oh, this is like a perimeter. In math, we've talked about perimeter. Which word would match that? Dad put up a fence around the blank of our yard. A fence or perimeter would be on the exterior of our yard, the outside of our yard. All right, that is our review for this week. Tomorrow you'll be taking your quiz over those words. Make sure you study them one more time.